Today I am unboxing something really special. We all know Victorinox I.N.O.X collection, which stands for robustness, its geometric shape, cutting edge precision and a 5-year warranty. But today we have something really special coming up. This is the new I.N.O.X Chrono India Edition. As you can see, it's a beautiful rose gold PVD case with a rose gold bezel, and this is just 250 pieces meant for the Indian market, and it's priced at 89,000 rupees. Apart from this, there is also one more model which comes with this rose gold PVD case. A black bezel comes with all the quintessential I.N.O.X qualities, which is anti-magnetic, shock-proof, scratch-proof, 200 meters water resistance. So master your time with the new I.N.O.X Chrono India Edition.